Hello guys, welcome back to this channel Berani Belajar, kalian harus berani. Kali ini kita masuk ke unit 25, membahas mengenai when I do and when I've done, if and when. Nah, jadi kita bagi ada dua sebenarnya, when I do and when I've done, and if and when. Nah, kita masuk ke bagian A dulu, kita akan pahami contoh situasinya ya. Ami is on a train. She's calling a friend. Kata dia, I'll call you again later when I arrive. Aku akan menghubungimu nanti ketika aku sampai, katanya kayak gitu. Nah, kata I'll call you again later when I arrive is a sentence with two parts. Kalimat dengan dua bagian. Apa bagian pertama? Bagian pertama adalah the main part is I'll call you again later. Itu dia the main-nya. Yang kedua apa? Setelah when I arrive. Nah, sebenarnya the time is future. Iya kan, when I arrive. Padahal dia kan belum sampai. Harusnya kan will arrive. Tapi memang Ami bilang when I arrive. Nah, jadi gitu ya. When I do something, not will do. When something happens, not will happen gitu ya. Jadi kalau udah pakai when itu, ya kita pakai jadi when I do ya, berarti sesuatunya itu present gitu ya. When something happens gitu ya. Nah, jadi itu perlu dipahami kalau ada pakai when-whenan ini. Kemudian contoh lainnya. We'll go out when it stops raining. It stops raining, not when it will stop. Nah, ada stops, ada s-nya lagi bahkan menandakan dia present ya. When you are here again, you must come and see us. Not when you will be, when you are here again. Oke. Kemudian, don't forget to lock the door when you go out. Nah, go out bukan not will go. Nah, kemudian ini juga terjadi ketika setelah menggunakan while, before, after, as soon as, until. While, before, after, as soon as, until. Contoh. What are you going to do while I'm away? Not while I will be. Nah, what are you going to do while I'm away gitu kan. Before you will go. Nah, gak usah. Jadi langsung before you go, there's something I want to ask you. Tapi kan before you will go, tapi dia sebenarnya mau pergi, belum pergi, tapi kita bilang before you go, there is something I want to ask you. Kemudian, wait here until I come back. Tunggu di sini sampai aku, until I come back. Until, before go, while I am. Nah, atau till I come back ya boleh. Nah, kemudian itu yang A ya, pahami ya, setelah pakai when biasa kita pakai present, tapi ternyata kita dapat menggunakan present perfect juga, have done, when I've done. Makanya dua dia di sini ada I do sama I've done gitu. Kenapa? Ketika dia setelah when, after, until, as soon as. Coba kita lihat di sini. Can I have the newspaper when you have finished it? You have finished with it. Nah, apakah aku bisa memiliki koran itu ketika kamu telah selesai gitu ya. Nah, don't say anything while Ian is here. Jangan katakan apapun saat Ian di sini ya. Kalau while Ian kan harus here gitu ya. Wait until he has gone. Tunggu dia sampai dia pergi gitu ya. Nah, kemudian, we use the present perfect to show the one thing is complete before the other. Nah, itu makanya perbedaannya sama kan kalau kita lihat while, before, after, as soon as, until pun sama ini while, after. Nah, tapi selain before aja dia nggak ada. Nah, ini adalah mengatakan to show that one thing is complete before the other. Sesuatu telah selesai sebelum yang lainnya. Misalnya, the two things do not happen together. Intinya keduanya itu tidak terjadi berbarengan gitu ya. Nah, coba kita lihat contohnya bergampang. When I've found Kate, we can go out. Setelah first I'll found Kate, kemudian we can go out gitu ya. I've found Kate, we can go out. Nah, jadi setelah sesuatu dikerjakan baru yang lainnya tidak berbarengan. Nah, kita do not use present perfect if two things happen together. Maksudnya gimana tuh, Bang? Contohnya, when I found Kate. When I found Kate, I'll ask her about the party. Ketika aku menelpon si Kate, aku menanyakan kepadanya mengenai pesta. Nah, ketika dia menelpon dan menanyakan, dia berbarengan. Maka kita nggak pakai perfect. Oke? Kita nggak pakai present perfect, kita pakai yang present aja. When I found Kate. Nah, not when I found ya. Oke. Kemudian, it is often possible to use either the present simple or present perfect. Jadi ya kalau misalnya bisa keduanya dipakai. Misalnya I'll come as soon as I finish. I'll come as soon as I finish, or I'll come as soon as I finish. Kemudian belibet ya, sorry guys. Kemudian you'll feel better after you have something to eat. Kau akan merasa mendingan ketika kamu makan sesuatu. Kemudian you'll feel better after you have had something to eat. Setelah kamu telah makan gitu. Boleh aja. Yang penting kan dia nggak berbarengan. Yang berbarengan itu kita nggak bisa pakai si present perfect ya. Kayak tadi menelpon sambil menanyakan atau makan sambil menonton gitu-gitulah. Kemudian yang bagian part C, if and when. After if, setelah penggunaan if, we normally use the present. If I do, if I see, for the future. Nah, I'll be angry if it happens again, not if will happen. Oke ya. Hurry up, if we don't hurry, we'll be late. Cepat buruan. Jika kita nggak buru-buru, kita akan telat gitu ya. Dan we use if, not when, for things that will possibly happen or not happen. Maksudnya gimana tuh? Kita menggunakan if, tidak when, saat sesuatu itu akan mungkin terjadi atau tidak terjadi. Contoh aja, if it is raining this evening, I won't go out. Not when it's raining. Oke? Jika, jadi kita itu ya, possibly ya. Don't worry if I'm late tonight. Not when I'm late tonight. Karena jika itu masih ada kemungkinan possible ya, happen or not happen. Tapi kalau when, pastilah dia terjadi gitu ya. If they don't come soon, I'm not going to wait for them. Jika mereka tidak datang segera, I'm not going to wait for them. Nah, ya. Jadi itu dia if itu ya. Jadi if itu normal use in present in the future. Setelah itu juga if itu kita gunakan ketika dia ada kemungkinan bisa terjadi, bisa enggak. Kalau when kan pastilah gitu ya. We use when for things which are sure to be happen. Nah, udah dijelaskan juga sih sama dia. I might go out later. It's possible. If I go out, I'll get some bread. I'm going out later for sure. Jika mungkin, maka kita pakai if. If I go out, I'll get some bread. Bisa aja aku beli, bisa enggak. Ketika aku bilang, when I go out, I'll get some bread. Pastilah aku beli si roti itu tadi. Ya, seperti itu. If lebih lengkapnya akan dibahas nanti di unit 38-40. Even if or even when di unit 112D. Unless di unit 115. Tunggu aja di playlistnya guys. Kemudian kita masuk ke bagian exercise yang paling menantang ya. 25.1, yang mana yang benar? Enak nih, tinggal hapus aja. Don't forget to lock the door when you go out. As soon as we get any more information, as soon as we get Di sini dia as soon as kan get pakai present. Berarti we will let you go, will let you know berarti ya. Sorry. Nah, kemudian I want to get to the cinema before the film starts. Okay. 4. Don't drive through a red light. Jangan berkendara saat lampu merah. Wait until it changes to green. Gampang ya. Sarah will be here soon. Sarah will be here soon. Nggak masalah when-nya kan when she comes. Berarti kalau itu I'll make ya. Aku akan, karena belum kan. Kemudian I'm 20 now. I'm 20 now. I wonder where I'll be when I'm 40. I'll wait. Nah, udah jelas ini. Kemudian Oliver is 5 years old. He wants to be a TV presenter when he grows up. Okay. 9. We could meet for coffee tomorrow morning if you're kebanyakan hapus ya. If you're free. If the weather is nice tomorrow, we're going to the beach. Itu depend ya, if ya, karena belum pasti juga. Vicky, if she doesn't, Vicky will, karena kan belum tentu juga kan, will be lah berarti. 12. You'll feel better after you've had something to eat. Oke, udah dibahas sih sebelumnya juga. Kemudian 25.2, complete the sentences using the verb in the brackets. Gunakan will or won't or the present see, place, are. Oke. 1. When you are here again, you must come and see us. Okay. I want to see Sophie before she goes. Okay. Call me when you know what time you're going to get here. Okay. There is no need to hurry. I'll wait for you. Okay. Until you are be ready. Until you are ready. Okay. Bukan pakai be lagi lah. Karena be itu kan syiarnya. 5. I'm going out for about an hour. Are you still be here? Are you? Oh, karena ini harus pakai will ya. Sorry. Will you still be here when I get back? Nah. Kemudian 6. I think everything will be fine, but if there are problems, ada S-nya. There are any problems. Kemudian I'll let you know. Okay. 7. Kate looks completely different now. You won't recognize Recognize her when you see her. When you see her. Okay. I'm going to be away for a few days. If you need me, if you need to contact me while I am away. While I am away, you can call me. Okay. 25.3, read the situation and complete the sentences. Okay. You and a friends went to go out, but it's raining hard. You don't want to get wet. Let's wait until it stops raining. Okay. It stops raining. Okay. You're visiting a friend. It's going to get dark soon, and you want to leave before that. I'd better go now before it gets dark. Sebelum gelap. You want to sell your car. Mark is interested in buying it, but he doesn't decide it yet. Let me know as soon as you decide. Atau bisa juga you have decided. Kemudian nomor 4, your friends are going to Hong Kong soon. You want to know where they are going to stay. Where are you going to stay when you are in Hong Kong? When you are or you go to HK, Hong Kong. 5, the traffic is bad in your town, but they are going to build a new road. I think things will be better when they finish. Kita pakai inilah ya. When they build, pakai the new road. Okay. 6, someone you know has been very rude to you. You want her to apologize. You say to someone else, I won't speak to her until she apologize. Minta maaf. Atau boleh juga she's apologize. Oke, nomor 25.4, letakkan when atau if yang cocok. Don't worry if I'm late tonight. Okay, be careful, you'll hurt yourself when. Pasti kan, kalau kita jatuh pasti menyakiti diri kita gitu. I'm going shopping. If you want anything, I can get for you. Ya kan? You'll hurt yourself. Oh, ini if dong berarti, sorry. If you fall, jika kau jatuh aku menyakiti dirimu. Okay. I'm going away for a few days. I'll call you when. Pastilah dia get back ya kan. Blanks, I don't see you tomorrow. When will I see you again? If lah berarti ya. If I don't see you, I'm watching a program on TV right now. When it finish, I'm going to bed. Karena pasti lah setelah itu dia akan tidur ya kan. We can eat at home, or if you prefer, we can go to restaurant. I hope Sarah can come to the party. It will be a shame if she can come. Oke. Selesai guys, 25 dari 145, masih ada sisa 120 lagi. Keep learning. Keep learning guys, semangat semuanya. Assalamualaikum.